Switching it on now. It's really walking.
Once the switch is on, the motor makes it start walking.
Why does this little horse walk in such a funny way?
Hi everyone, I'm Yuri.
Hi everyone, I'm Xena. Welcome to IX Kids Lab.
Today I built a wooden walking horse.
It's not an ordinary little horse. It can walk all by itself.
Science is fun. If you like it, come build with us. Let's start building. It's finished.
Can it really walk all by itself?
Let's turn on the switch and test it.
Wow, it really started moving. Does this little horse really walk like a real horse?
Works really well.
That looks so silly. Hold it right there. Don't move.
I can now down.
Oops, not so powerful after all.
It's drifting off course.
It's going the wrong way. Come back, please. It's hugging the robot.
If you enjoy the science toys we built, please like and subscribe.
We'll build more fun science toys. See you next time. Bye-bye.